I'm Andrew McGuire with Charles Rutenberg Realty. I'm guessing you're here for some Riverview Real Estate DIY tips. Maybe you're doing some home improvements to sell. Did you know I can help you facilitate these improvements and possibly even defer costs until your home is sold? Curious about how things work? Q&A sessions with me are always free. I love talking about this stuff. It's what I do. Email, text message, I'm always available. Real estate is a negotiation. Some agents can be pricey. That's okay. I can provide you personalized service and local knowledge at a smart rate. When I started a family with my lovely wife, I needed a home, then a bigger home. Like you, I'm a DIYer myself. I've learned a lot along the way, from schools to neighborhoods, even contractor selection for the big stuff. So check out andrewmcguire.realtor. Thanks for watching.